Micahmals! What's up, Micahmals? We're at Underwood Farms. We're gonna here to pick some veggies and different plants. So, and also to see the animals. Let's go. Look at all these bees. We're trying to find the queen. Yeah. Like, maybe they're in the back, because there's the back side. The queen is bigger, so this part is bigger, and they have a bigger stinger than others. What are these bees? What are these bees? Is this a moth? I don't even think it. Oh no, it's screwed in. Oh! Yeah, I found it. You did? I think so. You found the queen? It's like right there. I'm not sure if that's her or not. No, it's hard. Well, there's more. Which one side has more bees? Wait, look for the queen. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Which side has more bees? This side. No, that side, I feel like. Huh. Kind of weird. And there's a mason jar down there. They would all be piling her, so it's definitely this side. Yeah. Is that hole? In the middle, where? I think that. Wait, is that her? I think so. It's a look. I can't really look down. Also fall forward. Okay, but I think that's one. I think she's right there. Yeah, she's right there. That's her right there. Try to fly. It's her. Oh, nice. We found the queen. I think it's big.
Okay. Wait, Edison, you want to do it?
That is crazy. Well, we're going canning the minerals in this. Yeah, it's really cool. Finished. Yeah, it's finished already. Oh, whoa! These are the ones that got? Yeah. Whoa, I got a clear one. They have two clear ones. Whoa, look at that. These are, wow. I don't know what these are, but I got two clear ones. Pyrite, it looks like. There's a purple one. And I got some pretty cool rocks. But now it's just John Deere. And not John Deere, John Deere. John Deere. Not John Deere, John Deere. It's near. And I don't know. But we're at here it's really fun at Underwood Farms. You can feed animals. We have quarters. It's only quarters, not dollars. You can feed chicken. And this chicken has something to say. What do you have to say? Okay. Oh! That chicken wants you to like and subscribe. So do it! I don't know why there's a random door. Why did they put that? There's also a TV that makes these things go. Why did they have that? Don't ask me. Ask the creator. What happened to this kitty ride? He wanted to go on it. It's his fault. I don't know if he can stop it. I just wanted him to go in. He's fired. We're on the tractor wagon night. I don't know what it's called. Tractor. It says tractor, so it's tractor. Oh, and really cool. It's literally like a bumper side all over again, and the fence is broken.
Right.
We're gonna go pick some carrots and see what else we can pick. Let's go. Here's some new carrots. You can still pick them, but they're so small. But we're gonna go check some else out, cause we checked them. They're like so small. They're at least an inch.
Come on.
Okay. This massive broccoli. Let's pick it. You kind of twist it. So this is how to pick it. You twist it and it do it raw, like goes. And then you do it. It's still hanging. You just do this, and you got a broccoli. Look at this massive zucchini. It's bigger than my arm. It's massive. Well, let's go. This one's really in there. Let's go. This one's massive. This is romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is gonna help my tortoises to eat. And ow, it's really sharp. So we're gonna have to. So you get it from the bottom. You get it from the bottom, and you twist it. Oh. Yeah, I got stinging nettle on me.
Wait, the stinging nettle?
Okay. Well, evidently there's stinging nettle.
That's stinging nettle.
Do not touch it.
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, like as that chicken said. And that was Underwood Farms for you. Peace.